Welcome back to Bike Lab, where legendary machines meet modern engineering. Today we're diving into a name that still echoes through trails and backroads, the 2026 Yamaha DT 175, a reborn classic that blends old-school two-stroke spirit with new-age refinement. A legacy reimagined. The Yamaha DT 175 has always been about freedom, simplicity, and off-road fun. For 2026, Yamaha revives this icon with a respectful nod to its heritage while upgrading it for today's riders. The result is a lightweight dual sport that feels raw, approachable, and unmistakably DT. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 DT 175 is a modernized 175 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, tuned for crisp throttle response and strong low to mid-range torque. Yamaha focuses on smooth power delivery rather than outright speed, making it perfect for trails, dirt roads, and relaxed urban rides. Improved fuel efficiency and cleaner emissions ensure it meets modern standards without losing its playful character. Chassis and handling. The DT 175 remains light and agile, built on a slim, high-strength frame that inspires confidence on loose terrain. Long travel suspension at both ends absorbs bumps with ease, while the balanced geometry makes the bike easy to control for beginners and enjoyable for experienced riders. Whether standing on the pegs or cruising seated, the bike feels natural and predictable. Design and styling. Visually, the 2026 Yamaha DT 175 stays true to its roots. Classic lines, a minimalist body profile, and vintage-inspired graphics give it a timeless look. Subtle modern touches, like improved fit and finish, LED lighting, and updated instrumentation, bring it firmly into the present without diluting its retro charm. Technology and features. Yamaha keeps things simple, and that's the point. A compact digital display provides essential ride information, while modern braking components improve stopping power and safety. The bike avoids unnecessary complexity, focusing instead on reliability, ease of maintenance, and rider connection. Everyday usability. One of the DT 175's biggest strengths is versatility. It's light enough for off-road fun, comfortable enough for daily commuting, and friendly enough for new riders. The upright seating position, narrow seat, and manageable seat height make it accessible across a wide range of riders and skill levels. Who is it for? The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 is for riders who value simplicity, nostalgia, and real-world usability. It's ideal for those who want a fun dual sport without overwhelming power or technology, and for anyone who believes riding should feel pure and uncomplicated. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 isn't trying to be the fastest or most advanced bike on the market. Instead, it delivers something more meaningful: character, balance, and genuine riding joy. Yamaha proves that sometimes, less really is more. Stay tuned to Bike Lab for more legendary machines, modern classics, and honest motorcycle stories.